And this is Andy eating an energy bar.
Hershey bar?
An energy bar.
How?
Whatever.
Yes, he has so many left.
Observe and be amazed. It would have been really funny if you would have struggled trying to open it.
Yeah.
I kind of did. Just didn't notice.
And this is what Victoria's doing. Yay! Back to Andy.
Aw.
Nom. Ooh, nice and slow.
That's so wrong.
Chew, chew, swallow. Looks like you got a big gumball on the side of your cheek. If I get close enough, it'll pick up you chewing. Now say something cool. The excitement of my weekend.